Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 37 mutation, and today's topic is animal cloning. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 12th biology chapter 37 mutation, and today's topic is animal cloning. First of all, introduction of animal cloning. Students, cloning means it is a technique, or cloning is a technique. Once again, it is a technique by which from one cell to many cells and from one gene to many genes can be made. Once again, it is a technique by which from one cell to many cells and one gene to many genes can be made. It is called cloning, but it is a technique by which forms a whole animal, a complete animals. It is called animal cloning. So in this type of cloning, complete organism, it means animal is cloned. Next is methods of animal cloning. Mostly three methods. Of animal cloning. First is blastomere separation. Second is Honolulu technique. And third is nuclear transfer technique. Students, first animal cloning methods we studied in previous online classes. So today I start next animal cloning methods is nuclear transfer technique. So next, nuclear transfer technique. First of all, introduction of nuclear transfer technique. First is, it is a method of animal cloning. Animal cloning. Next, students, remember nuclear transfer technique mostly used in animals. Next, nuclear transfer technique or this technique mostly used in animal or animals. Once again, nuclear transfer technique or this technique mostly used in animals. Next, in this technique, the nucleus in this technique, the nucleus is removed from the female reproductive cell. It means in this technique the nucleus is removed from the female reproductive cell or egg, and get unnucleated cell or egg. Then transfer of nucleus in unnucleated egg. Once again, unnucleated cell or egg. Next, simple means or simple definition of nuclear transfer technique is, if transfer of nucleus of any somatic cell or cell into unnucleated or anucleated cell is called nuclear transfer technique. Once again, if transfer of nucleus of any somatic cell or cell into unnucleated or anucleated cell is called nuclear transfer technique. In 1969, J.B. Gordon to use nuclear transfer technique for making tadpole. Students, Gordon to make many tadpole. Once again, Gordon to make many tadpole by nuclear transfer technique. Next, I draw a flow chart or linear figure of formation of tadpole, development of tadpole. First of all, J.B. Gordon to take egg cell from adult frog. Next is next cell to take intestinal cell of tadpole larva. Once again, students, egg ovum is a haploid cell because these cells or this cell forms by the meiosis division. But intestinal cell is somatic cell. It means intestinal cell is diploid cell. So egg haploid cells, second intestinal cells, this is intestinal cells, once again egg, it is haploid cells. We draw 1 2 3 and more eggs, and we draw 1 2 more 3 4 and more intestinal cells. Haploid, it is diploid. Next, remove nucleus from UV rays, it means ultraviolet rays, and to get a nucleated or unnucleated egg. Once again, remove nucleus from UV rays of egg or egg cell. So, to get unnucleated or anucleated egg. Next, to isolate or separate nucleus by pipette. So this is nucleus. This is nucleus. I draw a big size. Next, transfer of nucleus from unnucleated egg. This technique is called nuclear transfer technique. So nuclear transfer technique. Once again, this is nucleus removed from intestinal cell by pipette and transfer in anucleated or unnucleated. This technique is called nuclear transfer technique, and forms it is diploid. So nucleus is diploid. This cell is called zygote because zygote is a single diploid cell. Single diploid cell. After development, formation of or development of tadpole larva. Students, tadpole larva is similar to parent. It means intestinal cell larva in genetically and morphological. tadpole, tadpole are similar to their ancestor in genotype and in behavior. So J.B. Gordon first time to forms tadpole larva by the nuclear transfer technique. So students, once again, J.B. Gordon to take two type cell. First is egg cell from adult frog. It means egg cell from female adult frog. Second in intestinal cell of tadpole larva. Once again, J.B. Gordon to take two cells. First is egg cell from adult frog or egg cell from female adult frog. Second is intestinal cell of tadpole larva. Next is remove the nucleus from UV rays of egg. So to get unnucleated egg or anucleated egg. Next, in intestinal cell to separate, to isolate nucleus by pipette. So this is nucleus of intestinal cell. Next is transfer of nucleus in unnucleated or anucleated. This technique is called nuclear transfer technique and forms zygote. Next, development of zygote to form tadpole larva. Tadpole larva are similar to their ancestor in genotype and in behavior. So it means tadpole is a clone of parent or parent cell. So first time use nuclear transfer technique by J.B. Gordon and used in development of tadpole larva. And next day we studied an important clone of ship by nuclear transfer technique, formation of dolly ship, development of dolly ship. So thanks, have a nice day.